In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate your Shopify store into different languages. Translating your store is a great way to reach more customers and make shopping easier for people who don't speak your main store language. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through adding new languages in your Shopify settings and then using Shopify's own translation app to automatically translate your content. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main admin page, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. This is where most of your store's configuration lives. Inside the Settings page, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Languages. Here, you'll see the languages your store currently supports. To add a new one, go to the top right of this page and click on Add Language. A pop-up will appear. Click the drop-down box to open the list of available languages. Scroll through and choose the language you want to add to your store, then click Next at the bottom right of the pop-up. You'll now see an option to assign this language to a specific domain or subdomain. Toggle on the domain you want to use for that language, then click Done. You can repeat the same process for any other languages you want to support in your store, so set up all the ones you plan to use before moving on. Next, we'll install the translation app that will handle most of the heavy lifting for you. At the top of your Shopify admin, click on the search bar. In the drop-down that appears, click on Apps so you're searching the app area rather than your store content. Type Translate into the search bar and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Shopify App Store. From the search results, look for an app called Shopify Translate and Adapt and click it. This will open the app's information page where you can review details if you'd like. When you're ready, click Install, then follow the on-screen installation prompts. Once the app is installed, you'll be taken to the Translate and Adapt dashboard. Inside the dashboard, look at the top of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Localized Content and, next to it, a language selector. Click the language selector and choose the language you want to translate your store into. After selecting it, go to the top right and click Auto Translate. A confirmation pop-up may appear asking if you want to proceed with automatic translation. Click Translate at the bottom right to start the process. Now, just wait for the translation to complete. This can take some time depending on the size of your store, but you'll receive an email when it's finished. Once it's done, repeat the same process in the app for each additional language you added in your Shopify settings.